free domain and hosting for your WordPress website for a lifetime. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to host a website just like this for free. So simply go to Google, and then from Google search, come and then type in Pantheon.io, just like this one, and then select it. Come to the official site and then come and then click on it. Okay, to bring you right here to the official site of Pantheon, simply look at the top and then come here to the price and then come and click on it. So over here we can come and then select a workspace plan, and then we are going to select a free plan. Okay, so we have a free plan which is the silver for individuals. Okay, simply come down and then come and then click on start for free. And then over here we have to create an account. To create an account, you can use your Google account, or you can come and then put in your email address and come and click on continue. Okay, so let's come and then click on continue with Gmail account, and then come and then choose your Gmail account. Okay, so let me select my Gmail account and then come here to where you have continue and come and click on continue. So over here what you have to do is that you have to finish it by putting your first name, okay, your last name, then you select your country, you come and check the box to agree to the terms, and then click on continue. So let me select my country. I'm in Ghana, so I'm going to select Ghana. Okay, and then after that I'm going to check the box to receive notification from them, and then check the box to agree to your terms and policies, and then come and click on the continue. So after that, as you can see, our Pantheon workspace has been created. Now we have 0 site. Okay, so let's create our site. So to create the site, come here to the home. Under it we have site. Come and then click on the down arrow and then come to where we have site list, and then come and click on it. Okay, so as here you can see it says create a free site. Okay, so come down here to where we have create a free site, and then come and then click on it. And then over here to create a free site, okay, it is asking us what kind. Let's select WordPress and then click on it. So over here what you have to do is come and then put in the name of your Pantheon site. Okay, you can put in any name at all, and then come and then choose the region. Sometimes the United States will be crowded, so come and then select the Canada. I always use the Canada and it works. Okay, and then come and then put in any name here just like this one. Let's say TBG, and then this is going to be our development site URL. Okay, so this is how it's going to be. And then let's come down here to where you have the continue and come and click on the continue. Oops, it is saying that the name that we have chosen is taken already. Don't worry, it happens a lot. So all that you have to do is simply come and then clear it and then choose a different name. So let me use this best GT. Okay, and then this is going to be the URL as I said. Now let's come down and then click on the continue. So this one is not taken, and then we can use it. So it is completed. Now let's visit our site dashboard. Okay, and then from here our site dashboard, we have created it successfully. Okay, so we can visit our development site or visit the admin. So let's click on site admin and then come and then select the language. So I'm going to select English. And then after that, simply come down here to where you have the continue and then come and click on the continue. Okay, so over here we have to finish our password and all that. Okay, so the thing that you have to do is that you have to come and then put in the site name. Okay, so let me come and then put in the site name. After that, the username, and then after that you have to come and then choose a strong password. You can clear this and then put in your own password, and then come and confirm your email address, okay, by putting it here. And then after the email address, all that you have to do is simply come down here, okay, and then where it says search engine visibility, come and then check the box to discourage search engine visibility. Okay, and then after that simply come here, then come and click on install WordPress. Okay, so let me put in the site name as blogging tools, and then the username too, I'm going to just use Nana for it. Okay, and then I set a strong password as you can see, and then just come and then put in the email address here, and then come and then click on install WordPress. Okay, so as you can see we have successfully installed our WordPress, and then we have our username, and then don't forget the password. Okay, we are going to use to log in. Then come and click on the login. So over here what you have to do is come and put in your username, your password, and then come and then click on the login. So let's do it. So let me click on the login, and we have successfully been logged in into our WordPress dashboard. To visit our site, come and put the mouse on the name of the website and then come and click on visit site. So this is our website. It is live, but we have to install a theme. Okay, so come here to the dashboard and then click on it, and then come here to where you have the appearance and then come and click on the themes. Okay, and then from the top you see that we have add new theme, and then come and click on it. And then from the popular theme, come and then search for Astra. It is one of the best theme out there. Okay, so Astra, and then you can preview it by simply coming here to click on the preview. And this is how the Astra looks like. Don't worry, we are going to make it looks amazing. Okay, so from here simply come and then click on the install button, and then you see that it is installing. Okay, so it is installing. Simply wait for it to finish install, and then come and then click on the activate. So let's click on it, and then over here we are going to start with a starter template. Okay, so when you come down here, it says that let's get started with a starter template. Come and then click on it, and it is activating. And yes, we can now come and then build our website. Okay, so we have two options. So you can build a website using an AI website builder, just like this one, by simply coming here to click on build with AI, or we can simply come in and select a classic starter template. Okay, by simply coming down here to where it says build with templates and then click on it. But I'm simply going to use the AI. It is fast and then easy. Okay, so simply come in and click with build with AI, and then the AI that we are going to use to build is ZipWP platform. All that you have to do is simply come down and then come and click on let's get started. It's free, and then here you have to create an account. It is simple and then very fast. Okay, you can create an account by simply coming to click on the sign up with your Google in one click, or you can come down here to where we have sign up with email and then click on it, and you can put in your email manually here. Okay, by putting your email address here, your first name, your last name, your password, then click on create account. But I'm simply going to go with a shortcut by coming here to click on sign up with Google in one click. So over here I have to choose my Gmail account. Okay, so let me choose the Gmail account, and then what you have to do is simply come in and click on the continue. So all that you have to do is come and click on continue again, and over here you have to come in and describe your website. Okay, so the first thing is that the name of the website, come and then put in the name of the website here. It is very important. Okay, so I'm going to call it blogging to strengths, and then after that simply come down here to where we have the purpose of this website. I'm going to use it for blogging, so I'm going to write blogging. Okay, and I'm going to select blogging. So by clicking on blogging, I select it, and then come and then make sure that the website language is set to English, and then come down here to where we have the next, then come and then click on the next. Okay, so over here we have to come and then describe our website for the AI to use it to build an amazing website for us. Okay, so in few words, simply come here to the box and then come and write something. Okay, you have to write the name, the years that you have been in working, okay, your country, and then the main purpose of the website. Okay, so after writing it, all that you have to do is simply come down here and then come and then click on improve using AI, and the AI is going to write an amazing something nice based on what you have wrote. Okay, great. So after that, simply come here to where we have the next, then come and click on the next. So the next thing you have to do is to simply come and then provide some basic information that people are going to use to contact you. Okay, so the first one is your email address. You have to use a business one, and then a phone number to a business phone number, and then your address. Okay, it could be a physical address, okay, or digital one. And then simply come here to the social media, and then come and then click on the plus sign, and you can add any of these social media handles to it by clicking on it, and then it will be added. Okay, but I'm simply going to skip it by clicking on skip step, and then you have to come and then select images for your website. Okay, you can search it by simply coming to the search box and then type in the category just like blogging, and those images are going to be displayed. Okay, so beside you searching it just like this one, the search, you can upload your own image by clicking on upload your images, and you can come and then upload this type of images. Okay, you have to upload this type of images, and then it doesn't have to be more than 5 megabytes. Okay, and then you can simply come to selected image, click on it, and then you're going to see your selected images. don't select more than 20 images at a time. You can always add them later. Okay, so if you want to remove any image, come and then click on the times sign and then it will be removed. Okay, so when you are done and then you have selected the images, simply come here to where you have the next and then come and click on the next. Okay, the next thing is to simply come and then choose a design for the website. That is how the website is going to look like. You can simply come down here and then put the mouse on any of these and then it's going to be shown from the top to the bottom how the website is going to look like. So I'm going to select this one. It is nice and simple. All that I have to do is just click on it and then you see that I have selected it. You can come and then upload your logo if you have some by clicking on upload file logo. Beside that one, you can simply come and then choose the font that you want your website to look like by clicking on any of these font type. Okay, beside that one, you can also come and then choose the color as well, and then you can simply click on any of them and that is the color that is going to be used to build your website for you. You can also come and then preview the website in the laptop mode, the desktop mode, or the tablet and then the full mode as well. Okay, and then when you are done, simply come and then click on the continue. The next thing is to come and then select any of these features so that it will be added for you. Automatically the blog feature has been added, the contact forms has been added as well, and then the automation and the integration, you can simply come and then check the box just like this one if you want it, but I'm going to uncheck it. Okay, beside that one, we also have the video player as well that you can come and then check it, but I'm simply going to uncheck it. It depends on you can add any of these. Okay, so the page builder has automatically been added. The e-commerce, you can come and then check it. Okay, and then we have the donation as well and then the free live chat as well. You can add any of these by checking the box, but I'm simply going to uncheck it. Okay, and then when you are done, simply come down here to where we have start building and then click on start building and sit back and relax and wait and see the magic that the AI will build your website for you. So hooray, you have successfully built your website. Okay, so now all that you have to do is to simply come down here to where it says see your website and then come and click on it, and then this is our completed website that we have built with totally free domain and then a web hosting. The next thing that you have to do is to customize our website. So from the top side where we have the customize, come and then click on it, and then you can use any of these features, okay, to customize the website by simply clicking on it. Beside that one, you can also come and then preview it in a PC mode, okay, and then a tablet and then a mobile mode as well. And then you can also come and then put the mouse on any of these and then come and click on the magic wand, and then you can totally come here and then edit it. So I'm going to edit the site title by removing the small b and then write a bigger B, and then remove the small t and then write a capital T just like this one. And then after editing it, all that you have to do is to simply come to the top here where we have publish, then come and click on the publish. Okay, and it has been published, and you can simply come here and then click on the close button and you will see that it has automatically been saved for us. Okay, so this is how to build and then edit the website. So we are within the home page. Let me go and then click on the about page for you to see the about page of our website. This is the about page of our website. Okay, beside that one, let me go and then click on the offering page, and then this is our offering page of our website. Okay, it is looking nice. Beside that one, let me go and then click on the blog page of our website for you to see. So these are the blogs that we are going to write, and then these are some of the samples as well. Okay, let's go to the contact page and then let me click on it for you to see. And this is the contact page if people want to get in touch with us. So if you have any questions on building this website, leave it in the comment down below. Like the video and then see you in my next video.